We go up and forward, just the shoulders, up and back, up, forwards, up and back. We're going to take our right foot and we're going to lunge forwards. So we go up, step forwards, lunge, lift the heel at the back, forwards, up, step back to where you came from. Again, make sure your feet are in line with your hips. Up, forwards, up and back. We're going to step to the side in a jazz press. Now a jazz press is where you step to the side on a demi-point, bend the knee slightly and invert the leg. So we go up, forward, up and back, up, forward, up and back. Keeping the shoulders square to your front. From here, we're going to slow it down. We reach out, in. We're going to reach over to the side, but don't reach across your body. You're going to go up and down like this, and the whole shape goes over to the side. So from here, we reach everything, lifting in the spine as we go. In, out, and we step together. Out, in, over, in, out. Arms strong, no droopy arms, okay? We repeat on the left. So we go up and forwards, up and back, up, forwards, up, back to the front in a lunge, up and back, up, forwards, up, to the side in a jazz press, up, forwards, up and back, up, forwards, up and back. We step to the side, out, and we extend the arms from here, extend out to shoulder level. We reach in, we pull over, in, out, in, over, in, out. Okay, from the beginning, now don't forget that last bit slows down.